The ZCASE BMZS Series battery-mounted fuse holder features a battery post clamp and insulated studs that accept M10 ZCASE high-current bolt-down fuses. Made with forged brass, the battery terminal fuse holder is designed to withstand operation for 10 years and 10,000 hours for heavy-duty, high-current applications in crowded spaces. Available as a single fuse holder as well as a multi-fuse holder with 2 or 3 positions, the 80-volt BMZS series is ideal for high-current starter fusing, pre-fuse short-circuit protection, battery box and engine compartment fusing, high-current accessory fusing, and work truck body modifications to OEM chassis. For more information on the BMZS series, please visit littelfuse.com or scan the QR code now.